Hi guys, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to see three things, that is, first is the start with, the second one is the include method, and the third one is the ends with method. Right. So let's say I have a string as st and the text is hello, how are you. Now I have to check whether it starts with H and it ends with a question mark and it is having a comma or not, right? So for these three things, I'll first initialize a variable, right? So according for checking three things, accordingly I have written three variables, right? The start, the end, and the contain one, right? And then after that, what I'll do, I will create if and else condition. And within the if and else condition, in the if statement, I'll be checking all the three things at once only, right? So for that, I'll be using AND operator. Here you can see that I have used two AND operators. First is this condition I am checking, the second one is this condition I am checking, and the third one is this one, right? So st is my string, and then I have used dot starts with, and then I have passed this variable start. Whatever thing I need to be, whatever thing I need to check, I'll just pass into a variable, and then that variable I will use in this start with method. Similarly for ends with, and at last for containing comma, I will use this contain variable in the include method, right? Now if this happens to be true, this if condition, then it will going to print this console log statement, right? And if it happens to be false, then this block of code will be executed, the else part will be executed. So now I will open my terminal and show you the result. I'll say node string dot js, and then here you can see that in the output I am getting yes, it starts with h and contains comma and ends with a question mark, right? Because it is starting with h, it is having the question mark, it ends with a question mark, and then it is also having the comma. So in this way you can check for the start, the end, and whatever a thing you need to check, that is whether it is having a comma or some, let's say, some number it is having. So in this way you can check all these three things. Now I hope guys you have liked this video, and if you are new on this channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe this channel so that you can able to watch more videos like this, and also you can get all the latest update from this channel. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.